Alright, I'm making this video as true testimonial that Derek fucking snores like a goddamn demon beast, zombie monster. It's been an hour since he got home and he hasn't stopped snoring. And it just keeps getting worse. I'm trying to go to sleep, but fucking listen to this creature. Watch what I'm about to do. I'm putting my hand over his mouth and his nose. I'm gonna stop him from breathing for like a second. But it's not gonna do anything. He's just gonna stop for a second and then start snoring again. But it's actually funny, holding people's breath while they're sleeping. What the fuck I tell you?